Evening all. Today we're going to look at tyres. Most cars have them. They're the black rubber things that go on the wheels. So today we're going to have a little look at them. This is a typical rubber tyre. In my pocket I have a 20p piece, and you can check your tyres quite easily like this. What I do is I turn the steering full lock, so it's easy, you haven't got to get down on your knees. But you will have to get down on your knees when you check the back ones. Anyway, what you do, you get your 20p coin and you stick it in the tread just there, like that. If it goes in deep enough you can't see that little edge, which is about 2mm, you know the tyre's okay. But you've got to check it here, in the middle, and at the edges. This one's got 1, 2, 3, it's got 4 grooves in it, so you want to check them all. Now the legal limit is 1.6mm, 3/4 of the tread. So if one side or this side or that side is low, that's not a problem. Now, what the professionals use is this. This little beauty is a tyre depth gauge, and this can check your tyres professionally. If you come to the garage, we will actually check your tyres free of charge if you're not sure. What you do with this, you come in, I'll show you exactly what we do. Put it you push the pin out, you push it into the groove like that, and you can measure it on the back here. And this is 3.5mm, so that's perfectly okay. But we will check the inside as well. And again, 3.5mm. So that's all okay. Now, what affects your tyres and what makes them wear out? I've got some notes here. Right. Number one is your driving style. If you drive like Schumacher, you're going to wear your tyres out a lot quicker. So if you're rough around the corners and braking and you're a very aggressive driving style, your tyres are going to wear out quicker. Full stop. Number two, positioning of your tyres. If it's a front wheel drive like this car, then the front tyres wear out quicker than the back tyres. If it's something like most BMWs a rear wheel drive, the back tyres wear out quicker. So it depends on what drive sort of train you've got on your car to which ones wear out quicker. The other one is speed. The quicker you drive the car, the quicker you wear your tyres out. Full stop, that's the end of it. So if you drive slowly like a snail, they'll last a lot longer. Load. The more weight you put on your car or your van, the quicker they're going to wear out. So if you've got it loaded up with a load of stuff that you don't really need, clear it all out. Get the car as light as possible. That's why I am always on a diet, because the less weight in the car, the less your tyre's going to wear out. Tyre pressures, now they're very important. If you get your tyre pressures too low or too high, they're going to wear out quicker. But also, if they're too low, especially, you could get a blowout, especially when you go on the motorway. So your tyre pressures, you can all look it up in the manual what your pressure should be, or Google it. But get your tyre pressure spot on. I will check them every couple of months. This little scenario I'm doing here, I'll do every 2 or 3 months. Keep an eye on your tyres. And the last thing is your wheel alignment. If your wheel alignment goes out of alignment, they will wear out a lot quicker. Now that is caused through potholes, and not many people will say they've never hit a pothole, or if you hit the curb, anything like that, a big bump in the road, it can knock your tracking out. So get your tracking checked every 6 months to a year. If you're driving and it feels like it's pulling to one side or the other side, or your steering wheel's not straight, the chances are your tracking's out of alignment. Come to the garage, we'll check your alignment as well. If you need us, you know my number, I'll be back here, give us a call.